Hi guys! Have you watched these mini world rescue videos from social media platforms? A lot of people are wondering how these healing and cute videos are made. So in this video, I will break it down step by step to show you how to make this kind of video. Step 1. AI Miniature Rescue Generator. Firstly, we want to use a GPT called AI Miniature Rescue Generator. You can search for it in the GPT store. The official link will also be put in the description. It is built for providing miniature rescue ideas and prompts for users. Click on Generate 10 Ideas, and it will automatically create 10 ideas for you. Select the one you like to continue, or you might ask it to give you more ideas or help you optimize your own idea. Once you confirm the idea, the GPT will give you the prompts for image and video. You may further adjust the aspect ratio, visual style, etc. Step 2. AI Image Generator. Next, we want to click on the link here to generate images. Go to the AI generator, then text to image. Copy the image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Choose GPT Image 2 model to proceed. Seconds later, we have the image created with high quality. These are other images I created using this method. Step 3. AI Video Generator. After that, we are heading to use HitPaw VikPea to turn image into video. Click on AI Video Generator. I would recommend selecting C-Dance 2.0 or Kling V3 model. Then import the image. Copy and paste the video prompt here. Finally, click on Generate. And when it is completed, we have the healing miniature rescue video like this. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.